guess we'll go over here.
While you are interested, keep your hands and treat yourself. Don't touch the props and enjoy your show.
Let's go up here.
Hello and welcome to Snake River. We understand you are in the market to stake your claim and purchase property here on good old Snake River. Let us help you begin a lifetime of adventure. Our sales associates are currently in high demand with prospective investors. We thank you for your patience as the next available agent will be with you at the conclusion of this presentation.
Snake River, home of amazing wildlife, natural wonders, and quality river tours. Ever since Trapper Dan fled these parts with his bandits, I, Harriet Beauregard, saw the opportunity in this beautiful territory. Now that Snake River properties are on the market, I need to make Trapper Dan's loss into your gain by offering exclusive access to this land and the properties that come along with it. And you are going to love living here. Yes, the wildlife can be a little aggressive, but don't you worry about that. It's time to pack your bags, move on in, and call Snake River home. When you stake your claim here at Snake River, you can best believe that one of our trained financiers will be with you every step of the way. Knowledgeable and tenacious, these guys will walk you through the process of discovering your next big adventure. Now, let's follow Mr. and Mrs. as they set out on their own adventure to stake their claim. Here on the river, there is something for everyone. Whether your taste is rustic, homey, and possibly haunted, or teeny tiny and filled with nesting seagulls, we will work with you to find the perfect fit. Your satisfaction is important to me, and I guarantee my assistance to you for the lifespan of your home, whether you want it or not. So just imagine watching the wildlife play amongst the trees, living off the land and its bounties, and snuggling up with that special someone at the end of the day next to a roaring fire. You are meant for river life and all the adventures that come along with it. Living out here in these previously settled but currently unsettled lands will make you feel alive. But you didn't come here to listen to me, Harriet Beauregard. Yeah, you came here to stake your claim. So let's get you out on the river, climb in your boat, float on in, and call Snake River home.
Please watch your step. Hope y'all had yourselves a wonderful morning. Come on in, everyone. Come on in.
Yeah, we'll go up here. Can we sit up here?
Oh, go right ahead. I do appreciate the enthusiasm coming right up to the front seats. I get a little ugly up here sometimes. Come on in, folks. Two to a seat, please. Two to a seat. We're going to say it till your ears fall off. Two to a seat, everyone. Two to a seat. What the heck is happening over here? Oh, my goodness. All right. Watch your step as you're coming on in. Two to a seat, everyone.
Just sit down for a second, Preston. Right?
How many to a seat?
Two.
Two to a seat, that's right. If you do more than two to a seat, we will have to escort you out this side of the boat. Once you find your seat, please sit facing forward with your back and shoulders against that seat back until the end of the ride. Please keep your hands, arms, legs, anything you don't want a snake biting onto inside this boat at all times. Remember that there's absolutely no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping on this boat. And please secure all your loose articles. We're not responsible for anything getting lost or damaged should they fall into that river. If anything does fall in the river, just raise your hand. I'll raise mine too. We can both wave that thing goodbye together because you're never seeing it again. We are all clear. Everybody wave goodbye to Captain Hillary. And welcome everybody to the Little Miami. My name is Captain Luke and I'm excited to see if this is the boat that makes it to its intended destination. Also excited to have y'all here for this wildlife excursion and property investment opportunity. The waters are calm, the skies are blue. Y'all could have not picked a better day to experience the historic Snake River. Now, today we're going to be making our way towards Thunder Canyon Rapids, and as we do, expect to see some amazing wildlife, natural wonders that few have laid eyes on, and gain some exclusive access to properties available for sale here on this river. That's why folks here at Snake River Expedition, we always love to say, our boats may not have sails, but we sure do make sails. That's right, we're talking properties and unclaimed land, so stake your claim today. Now, is this anyone's first time on this river? Oh, wonderful. Love to hear it, folks. Well, I can assure you it is not my first rodeo. I've seen everything out here, from high winds, high waters, bird attacks, and worst of all, guests who don't laugh at my jokes. Despite everything, I always make it back to the dock with all my body, all of my guests, and all of my dignity still intact. So y'all are going to be safe and sound with me today. Now, for those of y'all who have been here, I'm sure y'all wondering where Trapper Dan and his band of bandits have gone off to. We all skedaddled in a bit of a hurry. Got ran out by a rival gang we never heard of. I haven't seen either of them yet. But I know some of y'all are a little bit disappointed that we ain't got no bandits anymore. Well, if you really wanted to get robbed on this trip, I'd be more than happy to oblige. I'll take bills over 50, please, at the end of the ride. And don't think that there's no more crime on this river anymore. Today we're going to be scamming you with real estate. For example, we have our very first property for sale today, a stunning one-bedroom home. You know, last owners complained about the bears. We told them, honey, just grin and bear it. Snake River Expedition is not responsible for bear attacks. Any of y'all like live musical entertainment with your riverfront getaways? Well, all the way out from Cedar Creek Pass, give it up for the Beastie Boys! And that right there is our next source of unbearable bear puns. They call themselves baritones, all the way out from Arizona. They do the bare minimum sometimes, but at least they are very cute. Sorry, that last joke was embarrassing. Look at this man there over with the barracudas. Yes, we have barracudas here, folks. Be very careful in these waters. That right there is the current residence of our friend Flapjack. Flapjack is that beaver in the back there. He is the best cook on this river. Can y'all guess what Flapjack cooks? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Flapjack.
No, it's pancakes, thank you. Everyone says flapjacks for some reason. I don't get why.
That's a real bird. Oh.
Everyone wave hi to Sharon the Heron. Yes, she is flesh and blood, living and breathing. Oh, damn Flapjack! Flapjack left this dam over there. We can't get to Thunder Canyon anymore. Jerry! These beavers gonna have me filming today. Jerry, what have we told you about lumberjacking while we got guests? Don't look at me with that blank stare. I'm so sorry about Jerry, folks. We've been trying to get him evicted for a while now, but don't worry about it. He won't be your neighbor by the time y'all move in. Don't worry about any logs hitting your rooftops when you're out here. Moving on from all that, we have the Crystal Rock Bottling Company coming up. Some of the best moonshine this side of the Red Garter Saloon. While we're here, folks, for no reason in particular, I feel like reminding y'all that raccoons are not pets, and they should not be approached as they will bite you, take over your local bottling company, or take over the entire river, hypothetically, of course. Now, coming up, we're going to be entering into that sleepy settlement of Seville. Well, okay, sleepy if we can keep it that way, that is. We may or may not stir up this town like a hornet's nest, but don't y'all worry about that. The civilians are notoriously bad shots. Plus, they're only really aiming at me. I'm the one shipping off all their property to city folk, after all. Now, if we keep it down as we come through here, I bet nobody's gonna have any issue with us being here. Alright, now let me see if I can start this tour. I'm gonna have to keep it down again. Let's see here. Sweet mouthful of mayflies, is that a hog in a bathtub? Oh no, who gone and did that? I'm so sorry, folks, for whoever did that, but let me give you a quick tour before you have to take cover. That over there is Rusty Steele's hardware store. They're doing a sale right now. Discount coastler and snake skins. That right there's the Jones Landing dock. Working your boat and enjoying the peaceful serenity of Seville. Woo! Everyone get down. Woo! Y'all doing, folks? Everyone all right? Yeah. Safe and sound? Yeah. Except for me, of course. Oh, and I have to do the paperwork for that when I get back. It's gonna hurt twice. All right, folks. I do apologize for all that drama. Y'all were never in any real danger, of course. I was just, they were just trying to scare you off. We saw some of those properties over there. Yeah, that's what that was. Nothing to worry about. Okay. Okay, I should be honest, folks. Is the river overrun by a bunch of out-of-control raccoons? Yes. Is that where all the bandits are gone? These properties are available? Also yes, but don't think of it like that, folks. Think of it like that translates into some amazing savings for all my valued guests back there. Let's just keep this doggy out rolling. I think I still got him. Yes, it seems like Sharon the heroine was back to our left again. She's one of our few living and breathing flesh and blood animals on this river. We do applaud her for making it out here, as these waters ain't too good for things like living and breathing. Now, I know what some of y'all are thinking at this point. This Captain Luke guy just wants to line his own pockets with our money. Well, that's not necessarily true, folks. Because if we all take a look to our right, we have the not-so-secret anymore entrance to the Cedar Creek gold mine. Yes, I said gold, folks. Anyone about Snake River property gets complimentary mine access, so all you gotta do to get your gold for yourself is make your way past them ferocious-looking wolves. Snake River Expedition is not responsible for wolf tax. And here it is, folks, our most sought-after property on the entire river. Beautiful one-bathroom, zero-bedroom home. It can be... Tell you what, folks, how about 50% off that one? This offer stands till we get back to the dock. Now that right there is a home that is near and dear to my heart. Yes, that is my house. But I haven't been back in a while. You see, they're not going to let me step foot on that dock without making a sale, or else they're going to dock my pay. Yeah, I don't appreciate that joke much either, folks. See, it's so cold sleeping out here on this boat. I miss my own bed. But we can turn that all around, folks. I have one more thing I'd love to show y'all. It is a beautiful houseboat. We all take a look to our left, and oh my goodness, there's a snake in my boat. Folks, we had a houseboat for sale, but looks like that giant snake likes big boats, and I cannot lie. Okay, folks. So I know y'all came out here expecting a much more peaceful cruise with a lot less giant snakes and outhouse explosions and raccoons everywhere, but I'd like y'all to picture yourselves as the brave adventure seekers that y'all really are. Y'all belong out here. So who wants to buy some Snake River property? Woo, wonderful music to my ears. All right. Well, to welcome our new friends into our Snake River community, I would love to play y'all the official Snake River theme song. Snake River theme song. It's coming, folks. Now, we are going to experience a little bit of mild bumping as we approach this dock. Something we like to call around here peer pressure. Hey, Cab Savannah. We got a couple suckers. We got a couple of valued guests back here who want to buy some Snake River property.
Really?
Yeah, you got that paperwork for them?
No, I don't have it.
You don't have it? How are we supposed to make a sale if you don't have the paperwork?
I don't know. You never gave it to me.
Yes, I did.
I never saw it.
I'm so sorry about this, folks. Seems like no one's getting their Snake River property today. Why don't we all just keep listening to that theme song and contemplate what could have been? Now, let me tell you how this is going to work. You're going to have a little bit more of them taps in the front, followed by a bump in the back. All brought to you by the jerk behind the wheel. All back safe and sound. Looks like I'm getting that. All right. My friend Captain Savannah is going to open up this your gate. Once and only once that gets opened, are you then free to stand up, exit out this way if you enjoy the ride.